Hey yo, what's good guys? It's your boy L.Nontsiko. Mfana wazala inyanga umama kumthakathi umngane wakhe yaloya. You are about to begin. Danko. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail, it's that video again and again and again, guys. I can't keep on doing this for you, but still you don't subscribe, you don't like. Please, let's get this video to 50 likes, just like right now. And if it's your first time here, please subscribe, you know what I'm saying, because it's the video, you know what I'm saying. So if it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, click notification bell so that you can be notified this time I drop this pranks or bangers, you know what I'm saying. And let's get this video to 50 likes, you know what I'm saying. Guys, it's that prank again, you know what I'm saying. So you know the posture. Stay tuned. I beg, guys. So now you know the routine. You already know the routine. So stay tuned. You already know the routine. So please subscribe right now. As I'm doing this, just subscribe. Just subscribe. Stay tuned, wait for the moment, you know what I'm saying? We out. I'm lamping the joy. The joy. Oh, for me. What if you're not in charge of making? Hey yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy L.Nontsiko. Mfana wazala inyanga umama kumthakathi umngane wakhe yaloya. We're about to begin. Danko. And of course, I'm not alone, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have seen, you have seen the title, you have seen the thumbnail, I'm not alone. I'm here with If it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this video to 50 likes, you know what I'm saying, because it's a banger, it's a fire. So as you have seen the title, so we are going to challenge each other. Who's going to finish his bunny chow? You know what I'm saying? Who's going to finish his bunny chow in not in time? First, actually. Yeah, who's going to finish his bunny chow first? You know what I'm saying? Between me and Nontsiko. Yeah. So we're about to begin right now. Please stay tuned, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get into it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't come in. What? The cheese. What is this?
And do it is I the egg. And do it is. See this part of all.
Well, guys. As you can see, I'm doing this for you. You better subscribe. Subscribe right now. Because I'm doing this for you. Please. Mama Safana.
Dargaselo, agora com a massa.
Aman! Oh, man. Listen, I give my cool. Why you? Ah, that's true.
I was too.
Respect me,
I was too.
Sharpan, respect the agent.
I'm finding the best camel in this part. I do. I shot in this part myself.
In that end.
Hey, Joe. And the bully.
Timocho.
Joe. My head. But it's not like it now. I bully you, man.
The man. Cause it's a tour. If I get the Vienna condom. Oh. You mistake you. May if we make a gentleman in an.
If I'm doing the spam, Joe.
Quando sei ricorda. Dogs. Joyeux que y tu.
Minha flor. E as leis?
O que é que é isso?
E no condom. Para mim, o ar, Joe.
O jogo.
Minha flor, para Joe.
Assim,
I find so we need to know. How we need to do. How we need to find. So I know that was expecting you on the side.
condom. Fantastic.
So that's
serious.
that's bad.
Condom. Dogs. What if not in con? Demand to what is cabbage? And this is what I'm telling you, Mr. Man.
That's why I'm demanding a pie of you. You know that things. So school is about you. I'm sure Camille at Avis if I go.
Who from the woo? A German, come again, the condom demand. What is Jimmy's?
Instead of
Because I see. My aim, go. I know Swinton. No food you would depend if I get him.
If I go in the Joe bully the Joe. I have fun in the Camille, and I will.
Mhlawumbe phansi ngisitha bram.
Dimanologa tse condom ngayi. Afake condom. Kuyadliwa ufaka ama condom ngayi.
Hayi prank ke.
Ngena Joe. Afake condom ngayi.
Hayi prank ke Joe.
Prank ya condom bra mekhona ukuthi CD party ufake condom.
Prank ke
Condom Joe isiphafeni. Ngoba ivuliwe Joe. Ukamele tireni Joe.
Prank
Ah,
ke.
but like say prank ya next Joe ngunile Joe by default avoid. By default man.
Mara bo uyasidla ukuthakanyanya and le condom ngihlanze ngivula izolo.
Indlala fanele ngenza kanje. Hayi indlala.
Bram, ufake condom esiphathweni. Even prank ke, prank ne.
Fana, awufuna ukukwata fana. Awufuna ukukwata. Ngayikuzifananiso.
Joe ikondom eyani Joe.
Prank boy.
Condom yayenga video.
Hayi prank ngiyadlala Joe. My prank Bram. Ifake imdayidayini Joe. Hey, we got him. I beg guys, that was the end of the video. If you like the video, please let's get this video to 50 likes. Yeah, to 50 likes because I'm doing this risky for you. I'm doing this risky for you.
Behind the scenes.
I'm doing risky for you. You better subscribe right now if you haven't. You know what I'm saying? If it's your first time, please subscribe. Thanks for watching till the end. Alright, peace out. I'm fine, man. I'm fine. Prank. What did you do?
Condom phakathi kokudla.
Prank.
Awa man, prank njani?
Condom phakathi kokudla.
Prank yenza niyadla nami. Condom manje ivulile ingana. Mina
Menyenza
into yakho manje.
Bani prank.
Why would okay sha. Ifake it out. I'm not
Aso papata, mame.